Good afternoon. Well, we have here a Kenwood Tango Mic 271, a backlog from my workshop because I have some special tasks from the Philippine Air Force during the Pope visit. So it's a 3-month preparation, and at the same time, and since it was a special task, a confidential mission for me, for the Philippine Air Force. So, well, it's a fast track for the backlog on the radios, which was brought here on my workshop. So, this unit owned by Delta United 4 United Whiskey from Old Man Dulce, Sorsogon. So, the problem of this previous unit, the previous problem of this unit, okay, at the bottom, this was struck by lightning, and this at the same time, the bulb is damaged radio, no power at all. So it's a dead set, both unit. So we will try to test now, since I have already restored the unit from the bottom. Okay, so it's now properly on, conducts power on, and from the previous problem, this knob is stuck knob. You cannot rotate this or either channelize. Okay, so it's not functioning properly. So we will try to test this on my portable for the receive side. So here's my portable, going to transmit this. 1 2, test mic 1 2. Okay, so at the same time, we're going to transmit the radio. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, that is received from the portable. And now to check the power on this radio, TM271, from the power meter, is it? Oops, we will put some angle here. Okay, so it's too bright to look onto, so we will get some angle. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it reads 8 watts from here. Okay, 1 2, test mic 1 2. We'll check from another angle. Okay, too bright on this one, so 1 2 1 2, test mic 1 2. Okay, it's an 80 watts full transmission. Okay, so we will try to check the other unit. So we will try to power off this one, and then we will transfer the antenna, the dummy load, power meter with dummy load. Okay, so again, we will power on the second unit. Okay, so we'll try to test the knob also. See, so it's doing fine. Okay, so we'll try on the memory. Okay, tower 1. So we'll try to test it on the portable. 1 2 1. Op. Very loud on the speaker volume. 1 2 1 2. Hash mic 1 2. Okay. Okay, and then for the transmit, we'll have to transfer this from this one. Okay. Okay. So try to transmit 1 2 1 2 and check on the power meter. 1 2, it's still 80 watts. 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Okay. So I hope Old Man Dulce, it's you're satisfied on the restoration of your Tango Mic 271. And if there is any problem, just don't hesitate to ask and try to evaluate and test this unit so we could check if there is any problem from the previous setup. So if there's any question or any comment, suggestion, please do not hesitate to type in, and we'll try to get answer for that, but a little late due to I have to finish some backlogs. Medyo pila, dumami since I have a 5-day mission, 3 months preparation for a 5-day mission for the special taps of the Pope visit. So 73 to all. This is 4F1 KJA signing off.